I'm disappointed. I've just learned that my husband, Dr. Kizza Besigye, and his friend, Haj Obeid Rutale, have been denied bail once again. They've been in prison for more than 180 days. The government has kept changing the charge sheet and has been unable to move a case and start trying them. They have a right to mandatory bail after being in prison for 180 days, yet it has been denied. I appealed to President Museveni to do justice for my husband, Dr. Kizza Besigye, and his friend, Hajobet Kamlege, and all other political prisoners who've been in jail for months, for years, without trial, and for whom their only crime is to disagree politically. They are political dissidents. They should not be in prison. They should be out there expressing their independent views peacefully, as they have been. Thank you, Mr. President. It's justice that we ask for, nothing else.